Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the paper number 6, waves and oscillation for BSc second years. The syllabus of the papers are as follows. The unit first is waves, unit second is stationary waves, unit third is free and force vibration, and unit number fourth is acoustics and ultrasonics. So, today we are going to discuss about unit number first or introduction of waves. In this the unit number first, the following syllabi are contained: wave velocity and particle velocity, differential equation of wave motion, energy of plane progressive wave, equation of motion of vibrating string, then velocity of transfer wave along a string, and frequency and period of vibration of the strings. Now, we will discuss about what is meant by wave motion. So, wave motion is a form of disturbance which traveling through the medium due to the repeated periodic motion of the particle of medium about their mean positions. In this, there are two types of wave motions. First is transfer waves and second is the longitudinal waves. Then comes to the transverse waves. What is meant by what are the transverse waves? The particle of the medium vibrate at right angles to the direction of propagation of the waves, and in these longitudinal waves the particles of the medium vibrate along the direction of propagation of the waves. Now, what is meant by wavelength? It is the distance travelled by the wave in the time in which the particle of the medium completes one vibrations. Again, what is meant by frequency? It is the number of vibrations made by particles in 1 second. It is known as frequency. Then the next point is what is meant by amplitude. It is the maximum displacement of the particles from its mean position of rest. Next, what is meant by time periods? It is the time taken by a particle to complete one revolution. Then, what is the vibration? It is to and fro motions of the particles from one extreme position to other and back again. The example of this is a simple pendulum or a swing. Then wave velocity, the wave velocity which wave propagates in the given direction, it is called as wave velocity. Then the point is what is the particle velocity? The velocity with which particle vibrates is called as particle velocity. So, this is just the introduction and some important terms related to the waves. We will see in the next video what is meant by wave velocity and particle velocity.